Ricky Blue 82, what a do, Scooby Doo, like a Jew, fondue, barbecue.
All right, so here's a video of us at Burger King because it started raining. And when it stopped, we got to the roof, and here we have rotten decking. We cut out the rotten decking, threw everything to the ground, and we started rebuilding the roof. And here you can see we finished the roof with new decking, new pipes, new shingles. Just finished the job. And the payment is the truck. So we're gonna take the truck now. So it's been maybe 7 days since I have the truck. I haven't did anything to it. The rims, not so nice. It does have power locks, power windows. It's pretty clean from the inside. Oh, I want to start it up for you guys. Let me go on the other side. There's a tear here, but I might be able to sew it up. Starts right up. No lights. It's very hot outside. I don't know if I'm gonna sell this truck or keep this truck.
For all time's sake.
It's like 100 degrees outside. And here's the stuff that I bought. We got the seat covers, floor mats, the steering wheel cover. I bought wax, tough stuff remover, soap for the car wash, and a cleaner protector for the inside that smells like new car. We got some new towels. This was $170.